Fried fish doesn't have to be boring with this sweet and sour fish makeover. Hey there, it's Marvin checking in. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to change up your usual routine with a guaranteed delicious twist on the standard fried fish dish. This recipe only uses simple ingredients such as ginger, garlic, onion, Thai chili, tomatoes, carrots, bell pepper, tomato sauce, diluted cornstarch, water, salt, black pepper, oil. And there is a surprise to a mixture of vinegar, marmalade, and Dijon mustard. Well, if you combine these three ingredients, this will kick up a flavor a few notches. Alright, so without any further ado, let's start cooking. First off, we need to heat our pan. And we'll add some oil. Next step, we'll just thinly slice the ginger. And we'll stir fry this one until all the aroma will come out. While we're waiting for this one to cook, we can thinly slice our garlic. And we'll do the same thing. We'll just pan fry them too. Once the ginger is soft, we can safely take it out. And we'll just set it aside. And we'll do the garlic. Careful not to burn the garlic. We'll do our onion while we're waiting for the garlic. Once you get the right color, we can fish it out. Next step, we'll do the onion as well. We'll saute the onion until soft. Once it's soft, we can take it out. Next step, we'll do the tomatoes as well. Once done, we'll fry them as well. While we're waiting for this one to cook, we'll thinly slice our carrots. Going back to our tomatoes, that's what we're aiming for, a dark, low charred tomatoes. Once done, we'll just fish it out. Next step, we'll do our carrots and some bell pepper. While doing this, we can also chop our chili. This chili is just optional. If you want some extra kick, then yeah, you can always add this one. We'll just stir fry this one until everything turns soft. Once we get the right texture, then we can fish them out. Next step, we will be frying this fish, and the fish that I'm going to use is a dried salmon fish. I dried this one, I made it myself. I dried it for 4 hours using my dehydrator, and it's kind of like similar to dried salted fish. The only difference is that I was able to control the amount of salt that I put into the fish. Well, so we'll just fry this one up. We'll just thinly slice first. Okay, we'll just pan fry this fish. It won't actually take that much long to cook this fish as it's dry already. Once cooked, we'll just take them out. Okay, our dry ingredients is done. So we're moving on to our sauce. We'll take this one out. And for our sauce, we will basically just combine all this together in a saucepan. First by adding water, followed by tomato sauce, next with the black pepper, vinegar, we'll add some marmalade, Dijon mustard, and a little bit of salt. We'll just mix it all up. We'll just keep stirring, and once we get the right consistency, we can add our starch just to thicken the sauce. Okay, we'll turn the gas off, and now we're ready for plating.
Look at those palm trees there!
And there you have it, our very own sweet and sour with a twist. This dish is really good with rice. However, I don't have one, so I will be using bread for this recipe. It tastes the same. And the favorite part of this video is the taste test. It is really good. Real simple, delicious, easy to make. I hope you should give this a try at home. If you have any questions with this recipe, feel free to leave a message down below. And if you're new to my channel, please do me a favor. If you can subscribe, please. And you can hit like, share this to your friends and family. And until then, see you next time.